Hello everyone, to use Subtitle in NSCaster X1, select this. You can import your subtitle here or add a new one. You can write the subtitle here. Select the font, size, and the color you want. Select the subtitle and upload to PGM. You can edit the subtitle by clicking this edit button. After you're done, it will update the subtitle. You can change the arrangement by this button to move up and down. To delete the subtitle, click on this delete button. Click this trash button to clear all subtitles. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the video.